Creating consistent characters has never been easier thanks to Artbreeder AI, a powerful and user-friendly platform that allows you to design and refine characters with remarkable precision. Whether for storytelling, gaming, or creative projects, Artbreeder AI ensures every detail remains consistent. Here's how you can do it step by step. Step 1. Sign up on Artbreeder AI. Start by visiting the Artbreeder AI website and creating a free account. Once logged in, you'll gain access to a suite of tools designed for crafting characters with a professional touch. Step 2. Choose your character type. Artbreeder offers various categories for character creation, such as portraits, anime, or fantasy characters. Select the category that best fits your project. Step 3. Begin customizing your character. Use the intuitive sliders to adjust facial features like eyes, nose, mouth, and hair. You can also refine skin tone, clothing, and accessories. The AI ensures every tweak you make blends seamlessly with the character's overall design. Step 4. Save and revisit your character. Artbreeder allows you to save your character for future edits. This is especially useful for maintaining consistency if you need multiple versions or poses of the same character. Step 5. Add expressions and poses. To make your character more dynamic, use the pose and expression customization features. Adjust emotions or body language to suit different scenarios while maintaining consistency. Step 6. Export your character. Once your character is complete, export it in high resolution. Artbreeder supports formats compatible with most creative platforms. With Artbreeder AI, creating consistent characters is simple and exciting. Explore its features today and bring your imaginative ideas to life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.